It look good, y'all.
Baby, we fell asleep on that damn movie. Pet Cemetery. That What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the Doxy Takeover. If you're new, welcome, welcome. If you're returning, gracias, mi amora. Me love you. Anyways, it is your girl Modesty here. We are kicking off the vlog on this Saturday, rainy Saturday at that. I was supposed to go to Foodie Land today here in Texas, and it's raining cats and dogs, and it's been raining all day. So I'm hungry. It's like 11 o'clock, and I went to the grocery store Thursday, I believe it was Thursday. I went to the grocery store, so I am going to go in here and cook me something to eat. I need to put these dishes up, kind of quick clean in here. I cannot believe it's raining like that, but I'm about to fix me some chicken sausage. This is how it looks. I got them from Costco. I'm gonna chop them up. Well, just one of them. I'm gonna have some eggs, some scrambled eggs, avocado, and some toast preserved with peach preserves for breakfast. It's almost 12 o'clock, so that'll hold me until later today. So yeah, your girl hungry though. Don't you just hate when the lipstick is in your mouth and it's like, ugh. So that's what I'm about to do. Fix me some breakfast, put up the dishes. I got a list of things I need to do. I need to pay my water bill, clean. I need shelving, you guys, for my kitchen. Let me tell you, I don't have anywhere to put my appliances like my Instant Pot. What else do I have? I have things, they're like put up all over the place, but I want to keep them all in one area. And I was thinking maybe I should get like a huge storage bin for my kitchen. But I want like that real cute shelf that probably would go right here, and move my trash can. I don't know. I don't know what to do. So your girl's on a hunt for kitchen shelving, for storage, because I don't have enough cabinets. I could put cabinets on that wall, but who wants to do all that? Not me. I don't. Seriously. So, yeah, I'm just thinking about all of that. I need that. I need to clean off my shelf in there. Maybe I could put that in here, but I don't think it's gonna look right. I want to keep it, decent looking. And the shelving that I do have, it's like really wide, and it's just not appealing to me. So I don't know, but we will figure this thing out. On today's vlog, you guys are just gonna roll with me today. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing. I don't know what I got going on, besides the list that I have in place. I do need to edit. I have a bunch of videos I need to get up, and I'm behind on them. Y'all been feeling like I've been in this mood of a funk, where I'm trying to grasp hold of my social media life, because it's non-existent. Literally, I have not been on YouTube, not been on TikTok really. I've been on TikTok just looking at food ideas for dinner, but as far as active as a participating person into the social media world, honey, that is non-existent. And I'm trying to get my life together with it, because I want to get back on track. I feel like I fell off track, but I want to get back on track. Tomorrow we're supposed to go to church. I pray that we make it on time. If the rain does not let up today, we may end up going to Foodie Land tomorrow, but that just depends, because if the weather is not right, I'm not going. My sister went yesterday. She said it was really good. She got some great foods and stuff like that. Hold on, y'all. Jeez, your girl is starving. So I'm going to stop chatting, and I'm going to start, on my breakfast. So stay tuned. They look good, y'all. We brought peach preserves from the farmer's market. This is how it's looking, and we're about to take a bite.
That is it.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
that is it.
That take me back to school days.
Now,
elementary.
I forgot to tell you. When you got this one.
Very sweet.
So what do you think?
It's an old school taste that I haven't tasted in a long time. Mm-hmm. It's really good. I told my husband that I was looking for one that's really organic. Because I just noticed the ingredients on this one just says sugar, peaches, water, pectin, citric acid, calcium chloride. I'm looking for one with more, you know, just the basic ingredients.
Peaches, water, sugar.
And sugar. That's it.
Maybe some butter. Because I think that's how she did it.
But I don't know much about canning, so.
I'm about to tell you, baby, check it out. She used to get this big pot. She cut up her peaches or her pears. She'll put it in the pot. If I'm not mistaken, I could be wrong. I think she used to add a little bit of water with it, add some sugar, maybe some butter in it. Maybe, I could be wrong. And she'll sit it in that pot, and she'll let that pot heat up. And she'll let that pot cook it.
Yeah.
Like a slow pour it into these mason jars while it was hot. And then she'll put the seal, she'll tie the thing on, and then make the seal come down on the top like.
No.
Then she sit them in the dark cabinet for about 8-9 months. Go get it straight the top off of it.
See, that's what I'm talking about. Something natural. Because everything you buy at the farmer's market is not organic or natural. Homemade or what have you. Certain things can be, but with added. Anyways, I'm going to eat. I'll be back, y'all. It's raining, you guys. You hear that? It's pouring down. What's up, y'all? Time for me a little pick-me-up. So I'm gonna make a smoothie. I got wild berries, almond milk. I I have my sweetener, which is blue agave, dragon fruit, wild berries I picked up from Costco, half a banana, and some B12. I want an energy drink, but I'd rather make my own little energy drink. Got my cup, measuring cup. I'm only gonna do half. This is 500 mcg. So I'm only gonna do half of this because I don't need that much. Because if I take a whole one, I think it'll... Last time when I took a whole one, that thing, I had like heart palpitation. It was weird. So I'm only gonna take half. You break it. For some a little bit of that lime, and I'm not really a lime person, y'all. I don't really like limes like that, but for some reason I wanted a little bit in my smoothie. Baby, thick is the word. That's real good. If y'all can, try that out with a little bit of lime, like just a little squeeze. Let me clear my mess up. Y'all see how gray it is outside? It's just icky. So gray and so gross. What's up, y'all? I'm about to go see my niece because she was down here talking smack. So I'm about to go in here and put these hands on her to let her know. Let her little 8-year-old butt know who in control. Cause she got me messed up, shawty. Y'all. This is just it's so gray out and like Y'all, my smoothie was really good. I'm just about to stop down here though. Just say hey and play with her real quick and then head back to the house. I gotta get up and get moving and do some things that I said I was gonna do. I wrote my list out this morning and I've done only 2 to 3 of those things because my husband wanted to watch a movie and, you know, some quality time. So, of course, your girl ain't about to turn that down. Baby, we fell asleep on that damn movie. Pet Cemetery, that shit was lame as hell. I will say that. It was lame. Talking all that noise. Y'all see her? She the one talking all that noise. What you doing? Where you going? See, talking all, had to tell y'all, this the little 8-year-old right here. Now she trying to bite. Oh no, shawty, we gonna get her together, honey. We about to get her together because she got me messed up.